Good afternoon everyone. Myself Tejasri and my friend Nikita are from EC department. Today we are going to see triple integration on basis of design thinking. So she will start.
First, empathy part. In real life, design and engineering, primary solids and tetragonal solids are commonly used. To design or manufacture them, we must calculate the volume accurately. This is our empathize part. Next, our define. What is our goal? Our goal is to find the volume of the tetrahedron formed by the coordination plane and the inclined plane by using triple integral. Now, my friend will explain the triple integral.
So now we are going to enter into the ideal part. So basically, integration is about finding volume. We should take small integrating part in small volume, and we will lastly join them, and we will find the whole volume. So now for this question, we are going to find volume of tetrahedron bounded by the planes of x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, and z is equal to 0. And here the equation is x by a plus y by b plus z by c is equal to 1. So first we should find a limit for all three this. So I am writing like this: dz, dy, and dx. So here z varies from. Now we are going to find a limit for xz. So we are going to find. We are leaving this z is this left side, and we are taking the c right hand side, and we are taking x by a 1 minus x by a and 1 x by a minus y by b. And now z varies from 0 to this. So now y, we already took the limit for z. So we are taking this value as 0. So for y, we are going to take 0 to b into 1 minus x by a. So now for taking limit for x, we already took limit for z and y. So we should take this values as 0. So the limit for z is 0 to a. Now we are going to substitute this limit in this equation 1. So v is equal to integrating of 0 to a, 0 to b into 1 minus x by a, 0 to c into 1 minus x by a minus y by b. So dz, dy, and dx. So for solving, first we should solve this dz with respect to this limit. So v is equal to 0 to a, 0 to b into 1 minus x by a. Z upper limit is c into 1 minus x by a minus y by b, 0, dy by dx. So we should substitute in x, we should substitute upper limit minus lower limit. So 0 to a, 0 to b into 1 minus x by a, c into 1 minus x by a minus y by b into minus 0 into dy by dx. So after this step, we should take this c outside because it is a constant. So c into 0 by a, 0 by b into 1 minus x by a, 1 minus x by a minus y by b, dy by dx. So after this step, we are going to integrate this with respect to dy. So 0 to a, y minus xy by a minus y square by 2b. Upper limit is b into 1 minus x by a and 0. Here at last dx. Now here we should notice one thing. In this two, y is common. So we should take the y as common. So by taking y as common, we will get 1 minus x by a and minus y square by 2b. Upper limit is b into 1 minus x by a dx. So now we should substitute b
from EC Department of SNS College of Technology. We are going to explain about the triple integration in the form of design thinking. So our problem statement is there is a water storage tank in the shape of a rectangular solid with dimension length is equal to 4 meter, width is equal to 3 meter and height is equal to 2 meter. So we are going to explain this using design thinking method. First one is empathize. Empathize in real life water tanks or in 3D dimensions.